会来自伦敦深度家庭游。待会儿我们一会儿那边见啊！拜拜，
拜拜。
好，我们终于到了广州白云机场。Right, look at our little minion. 机场还有这玩意儿，小五兔意式手工冰淇淋。
欢迎乘机，这边请直走左转啊。
当然。好，我们终于到达伦敦了。这是第二天早上，天气有一点点阴。Hello. Who's this dumb kid?
You can see we're wearing different type of clothes, leggings with skirts, half jacket with shorts.
哇，这个扶梯好深啊！好，我们现在就到达了这个 London Bridge 这一站，有很多历史性建筑物。啊，好了，我们现在就到达了这个 Borough Market。What, touching the fruit? 各种各样的 cheese.
Best truffle sauce. So good.
Do you want to try one?
They come in 3 sizes. Want to try creamy one? 9 out of 10. You like that one?
Rose petal syrup. 哦 ，Oyster Bar。
这几家海鲜饭很出名。
哦。来，我们来尝一个lavender口味的 lemonade。